Okay, getting ready to let my young ones up. As y'all can see, the kid box is all closed up. I'm fixing to open up and let them out. Okay. It's really windy today. And they out. Hopefully everybody, there's a couple of my birds way over there. They flying way the heck over there. Catch up. They're trying to catch up because one of them is very young, but he's looks like he's fighting his way to get back over here. That's my youngest squab I'm looking at right there. The rest of the pack is up there. He's trying to hang. That's him right there. That's the youngest one. He's back with him. Them two like to go by themselves and roll by themselves. Two right there. Who these two came from? Get back over here. Okay, these two right here. They like to fly by themselves, roll by themselves. These two right here. These two always fly together. I gotta figure out who they are. Gotta figure out who these two are. They good together too.